Welcome to Wealth Wisdom. If you have ambitions to achieve financial success, please leave "yes" in the comment, and we are here to help you obtain insight and build wealth. Have you ever looked at your bank account and thought, "I have nothing. How can I ever become rich?" Maybe you're starting with zero savings, living paycheck to paycheck, or even in debt. It feels impossible. But here's the truth. Many of the world's wealthiest people started with absolutely nothing. What made the difference was their mindset, their strategy, and their persistence. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can go from nothing, no money, no connections, to building real wealth over time. Stay with me until the end, because I'll share the step-by-step framework that you can apply no matter where you're starting from. The first step isn't about money, it's about your mindset. 1. Stop thinking you're stuck. If you believe you'll always be broke, you will. But if you start seeing money as a skill you can learn, everything changes. Wealth is built by consistent action, not luck. 2. Focus on value, not money. The richest people in the world didn't get rich chasing dollars. They got rich by solving problems, creating products, and adding value. Ask yourself, how can I be useful? What problems can I solve? 3. Play the long game. If you want to get rich overnight, you'll likely fall for scams or risky gambles. But if you focus on steady growth, building skills, saving, investing, you'll be surprised at how fast things can snowball. So let's say you're starting from zero. What's the first step? 1. Fix your financial leaks. Track your expenses. Cancel subscriptions you don't use. Cut unnecessary spending. If you're broke, the first dollar you save is the most powerful. It proves you have control. 2. Build an emergency fund. Even $500 or $1,000 set aside can protect you from falling into a cycle of debt when life happens. 3. Get rid of high-interest debt. Credit cards and payday loans are wealth killers. Every dollar you pay toward them is a guaranteed return. 4. Start saving consistently, even if it's tiny. $5 a day doesn't sound like much, but it adds up. More importantly, it builds the habit of saving, which is the real key. If you have nothing, the most valuable asset you can build isn't money, it's skills. 1. High-demand skills. Coding, digital marketing, design, copywriting, sales. Many of these can be learned online for free. Once you have one of these, you can earn anywhere in the world. 2. Communication skills. Learn how to write well, speak well, and connect with people. Opportunities flow to those who can clearly express ideas. 3. Financial literacy. Understand how money works. Budgeting, investing, compounding. Knowledge compounds faster than money. The great thing is, you don't need a fancy degree to learn these. Free resources, YouTube, and online courses can help you upskill in months, not years. Once you start improving your skills, you need to increase your income. Here's how people with nothing can start building wealth. 1. Side hustles. Drive Uber, deliver groceries, freelance online. It might not make you rich immediately, but it gives you extra cash flow you can invest. 2. Freelancing platforms. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer let you sell skills directly to clients around the world. 3. Start a small business. You don't need huge capital. Drop shipping, content creation, tutoring, or even flipping items from thrift stores can bring in money. 4. Invest in yourself first. Instead of buying luxuries, reinvest earnings into better tools, courses, and opportunities that make you more valuable. Now, here's the turning point: investing. Even if you're starting with $10 or $100, investing builds long-term wealth. 1. Start with index funds or ETFs. They're safe, diversified, and perfect for beginners. 2. Consistency beats timing. Don't wait until you have more money. Start now, even with small amounts, and let compound interest work its magic. 3. Think ownership, not wages. The rich own assets, stocks, businesses, real estate. Even a tiny piece of ownership can grow into something big over time. So, how do you get rich when you have nothing? Here's the simple formula. Mindset. Believe wealth is possible, and focus on value. Foundation. Cut expenses, save, avoid bad debt. Skills. Learn high-demand skills and financial literacy. Income. Increase earnings through jobs, side hustles, or business. Invest. Put money into assets that grow over time. Becoming rich is not about where you start, it's about the decisions you make daily. You don't need to win the lottery. You don't need to inherit money. You need consistency, discipline, and time. If you start today, your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who feels stuck financially. Remember, you may have nothing right now, but with the right steps, you can build everything.